Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for open my video. My name is Sinta. Today I am ready to share another knowledge that I have is how to make simple earring basic 1 tutorial. Are you ready? Before you ready and see how the way I made for the simple earring, would you click a like and subscribe for my video? Yes, thank you. Let's start. Before we start, I would like to tell you or inform you this is the tools that we need. One pillar, and then almost the same like a pillar, but the function is for cutting, and also the scissor like this. And what we need, simple things like this, and then the nail with the button here, and pull. This time I'm using pull. Okay, let me start. We put this one inside, and we bending to the right. The reason we bending to the right, to make the curve very nice, something like this. So we can cut little, because we only need around 1 cm. The way you cut is only you grab, you press, and you twist like this. After that, twist, and then like that. One, and we make another one. This is very basic tutorial in jewelry. One more time. I bending here like that, and then we cut the same size. Like that. And then the way you hold is like this, and you twist it like this. When you bending to the right, must like 90 degrees like this. If you're not bending like that and just cut it and then doing like this, it will be, it's not like letter S. So one more time like that, and you cut and you bending like that. Okay, we do again. We cut. Okay. And then bend it. It will be the same. So this is very basic that you can make your own jewelry. Bending 90 degrees, and you cut, and then this is the way you hold. you must assure which size ring that you need. I need over here, so I go over here and then I bend like that, and then we put engage there, and then we lock. How the way we lock? We using the pillar, put tight. Things, and the other one. This is very basic. How the way we make simple earring for daily use. Tra-la-la-la. One pair. So if you have a party and don't have simple sophisticated earring, you can break like I do now. I break from the old pearl jewelry, so I take it out this one, and then I can fixing this to be a necklace again, but the shorter one, because I already take some other pieces from the necklace. Second one. We lock now. So we have two. Are you ready for trying at home? Give me a comment when you been try at home. What do you need more in my jewelry class video? Thank you. Okay guys, we just finished making 3 pairs of the earring. Do you like it? Good. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and click like and also ring the bell. See you again on the next video. I would like to share about making a longer earring, bracelet and the necklace. See you the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.